In this video we'll teach you how you can bring still images to life with just few clicks. First, go to Canva, then use your uploaded images. Adjust its position. On the left side panel, go to App and search for Image Animate. Then you will see list of icon. Click on this icon. Here you will get this interface. Here are different AI options to choose from. Let me select Loom AI. Or you can change the direction by yourself. But to use this you need to sign in. Don't worry, it's completely free to use. After signing in, click on Generate. And your image is ready. And don't forget to add to design. Now let me show you another example, but this time with text prompt. Let's make this car move. Let's write a simple prompt. Then use Runway ML AI. And you have this awesome car motion video. Click on Add to Design.